What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do like a classic fall makeup tutorial from November to December or something like that. Alright, just ignore my hair for now because I just woke up. So I'll fix it towards the end, just like my last video. Alright, so this is a blouse I'm wearing right now, but I definitely want to do like a brown and orange eyeshadow colors right here. So we're gonna do that, right? So if you have other requests, let me know down below in the comments and I'll get back to you 24/7. So let's get this video started. First, I'm gonna put foundation right here. Alright, take the sponge and just blend it right here. Next, we're gonna put on face powder. Right here. Next, I'm gonna use the concealer from Maybelline. Let's get my eyebrows done. Let's get this brush. Just ignore my bangs right now because I just woke up, like I said. I'll fix it towards the end of the video. Take the brush and just blend it right here. So I'm done with all this. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. This is the palette I'm using right now. This is the Shany eyeshadow palette that I had for almost 5 years now. Look at this. Got all of these eyeshadow colors. But before I do that, I just want to put a little bit of blush. Okay, so the color I'm going to be using is this copper brown color right here. Okay, I'm going to take this copper brown color. I'm just going to put it in my crease right here and in the lid, right there. This is a perfect color for the fall. Even though winter is almost here and fall's almost over. Next one. Oh my god, I love how this copper color came out when it blended using this eyeshadow brush. Looks absolutely adorable. Alright, now the next color I'm going to be using is this burnt orange color. And I might want to do one more to match my sweater. Maybe this beige yellow color. Let's take a little bit of a burnt orange color. So the brown color doesn't get messed up, but it's alright. Just do the best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright. Do the same thing for the other lid. Right here. Okay, not bad. It's like this brown color is still shown, even though I just put a little bit of that burnt orange eyeshadow. But it looks good. I'm going to do one more, and I'll move on to the eyeliner. Let's take a little bit of a beige yellow color. Slowly press it down so these colors don't get mixed up if you want them to be shown. You want these colors to be shown like that. Just do the best as you can. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect, but you can just do it however you like that. Do the same thing on the other lid like that. Wow, these colors look absolutely stunning for the fall season. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Okay, now I did the eyeshadows, so I'm gonna do it on the bottom lids off camera and I'll be back. Alright, I did an eyeliner, no, excuse me, eyeshadow on the bottom lid, or should I say a lower lash line, but yes. Can you guys see it? And it was a little light, but I did all three colors to match the top lid. Alright, now we're going to use this brown liquid eyeliner from CoverGirl. Just grab my mirror. Alright, slowly just create a wing liner or just a simple eyeliner. Like that. You know what? I might have to do a wing liner. Okay, now we're going to use the Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil for the waterline. I already use it for my eyebrows. Alright. Right here. Alright, now let's put some mascara on. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm gonna go with the false lashes. Right? Do the same thing on the bottom lashes. Alright, I'm going to do false lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now I already put on my false lashes. And the ones I'm using right now is this. I'll link it down below in the description box. You can go check that out at any time. So this is the one I bought last year from Primark. Alright, now time to do some lips. So I'm going to go with two different lipstick colors. So the one I'm going to be using is this Tropical Coral 444 lipstick from L'Oreal. And lastly, this Pink Post 233 lipstick from Maybelline. Okay. So I'm going to go with that first. Alright. Now I'm going to do one more color. I'm just going to put a little bit because I don't want to mess up with the other one. But it's alright. Alright guys, so that's the end result. So I'm going to do my hair off camera. And I'll show you what jewelry I'm wearing because I'm going to be wearing earrings and I'm wearing rings. So I'll be right back for the last result. Alright, this is the end result of this look. I'm wearing a ponytail with a side bangs. And this is the earrings I'm wearing right now. It's the 8-pointed star earrings. I bought it last year. Alright, and this is the rings I'm wearing to match my earrings. This is the 8-pointed star earrings. This one I bought from Claire's. And the other one I bought it from Walmart. So tonight I'm going to Times Square with my family. So wish me a have fun and wish me a good luck. I'm going to go see the Rockefeller Center and take a lot of pictures for the social media. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a get ready with me tutorial, by the way. So if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful for my next video. And let me know down below in the comments section which makeup looks I should do for my next video. And I'll get back to you within 24/7. So I hope you all enjoy your holidays. And if I don't see you, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.